Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track your time with Monday.com. If you're managing tasks and projects, knowing exactly how much time you're spending on each one can help you stay on top of deadlines and improve your productivity. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your existing board in Monday.com. This could be any board where you're managing tasks, projects, or workflows that you want to track time against. Once you're in your board, you'll be adding a new column specifically designed for time tracking. Now look toward the most right side of your board where you'll see a column header with a plus icon labeled with a plus sign. Click on this icon. This is where you can add new columns to customize your board layout and add functionality that suits your needs. A menu will appear with several column options. From this menu, click on More Columns. This opens up the full column center where you can browse through all the different types of columns Monday.com offers, from status columns to date columns and many more specialized options. In the column center, you'll notice a search field at the top. Type time tracking into this search field. This will filter the results and bring up the time tracking column option, which is exactly what we need to start monitoring how long tasks are taking. Once you see the time tracking column in the results, click Add to Board. This action will immediately add the time tracking column to your board, and you'll see it appear as a new column on the right side of your existing columns. Give it a moment to load and refresh your board layout. Now that the column is added, it's time to start tracking. Navigate to any task row where you want to begin timing your work. In the time tracking cell for that task, you'll see a play icon. Click the play icon to start the timer for that specific task. The timer will begin counting up, showing you in real time how long you've been working on it. When you finish working on that task or need to take a break, click the pause or stop icon in the same cell. This stops the timer and logs that session automatically. You can start and stop the timer as many times as you need throughout the day, and each session will be recorded separately. If you want to review how much time you've spent on a task, click the time entry in the cell itself. This will open the log where you can see a detailed list of all tracked sessions for that task, including start times, end times, and total duration. Now, what if you forgot to start the timer and need to add time manually? No problem. Click the cell in the time tracking column for the task you want to update. When the time log pop-up appears, click plus Add Session Manually. This option lets you backfill your time entries. In the manual entry screen, select the date you worked on the task. Then type the start and end time or simply enter the duration if that's easier for you. Once you've filled in the details, click Add Session to record the manual entry. This session will now appear in your time log alongside any automatically tracked sessions. And that's it. You've successfully set up time tracking in Monday.com and learned how to use both automatic and manual time entries to keep accurate records of your work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.